Hello, my name is Mandy, your Sunny trainer, and I'd like to tell you how you can ease tight angles, improve your range of motion, and get more out of your workouts. The Sunny Health and Fitness Adjustable Wood Slant Board is designed to help you move better from the ground up. This training essential brings intention to every stretch, lift, and step, so you can unlock smoother movement, better balance, and more confident performance in everything you do. Strong performance starts where your body meets the ground. Proper ankle mobility and well-stretched calves are essential for balance, power transfer, and smooth, efficient movement in everything from lifting and running to daily motion. The Sunny Health and Fitness Adjustable Wood Slant Board helps build that foundation, supporting better range of motion, cleaner mechanics, and more athletic performance, so every move feels stronger, more stable, and more controlled. Beyond mobility and stretching, the Sunny Health and Fitness Adjustable Wood Slant Board serves as a powerful strength training tool with real performance carryover. When used for knees over toes movements and heel elevated squats, it helps shift loading in a way that builds stronger, more resilient knees while improving balance and coordination. This positioning increases activation in the calves, quads, glutes, and supporting muscles around the knees and ankles, reinforcing joint stability, enhancing control through deeper ranges of motion, and supporting long-term athletic strength where it matters most. Tight calves and stiff ankles can quietly limit everything you do, from your warm-ups to your heaviest lifts. The Sunny Health and Fitness Adjustable Wood Slant Board is designed to restore smooth, natural movement by delivering a deep, controlled stretch to the calves and Achilles. By improving ankle mobility, it helps relieve discomfort commonly associated with plantar fasciitis, while preparing your body for activity, whether you're loosening up before a run or unlocking deeper, more efficient squat mechanics. The adjustable design removes the guesswork from stretching and progression. With 4 precision incline angles, 30, 35, 40, and 45 degrees, you can target specific areas of the lower leg, improve ankle dorsiflexion, or gradually progress knees over toes movements and ATG split squats at your own pace. This ability to safely increase intensity helps you build strength and mobility together without overloading your joints. Built for confidence and durability, the slant board supports up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to heavy lifters. Reinforced natural wood and strong steel hinges provide a solid, wobble-free feel, even during weighted knee-dominant exercises. The wide, non-slip platform offers plenty of room for different stances and shoe sizes, while the high-traction surface and anti-slide base keeps everything firmly in place, so you can train, stretch, strengthen with complete stability. Another great feature is the surface that has black corundum grip, providing excellent traction whether you're wearing shoes, socks, or going barefoot. We've also sanded down the edges of the board to ensure a smooth feel that won't scrape or bruise your skin during deep stretches. Let's get started. Getting started on the slant board is simple, and choosing the right angle makes all the difference. Begin with a lower incline if your calves or ankles are very tight, allowing your body to ease into the stretch without strain. Beginners should start at our lowest setting of 30 degrees for gentle stretching. As you get more flexible, you can progress through the 4 precision levels: 30, 35, 40, and 45 degrees. These specific increments allow you to safely deepen your stretch or work on advanced moves like split squats at your own pace. As your mobility improves, progress to a higher angle to increase intensity and deepen the stretch. For all stretching work, stand tall with your heels fully connected to the board, feet hip-width apart, and your weight evenly distributed. Keep your chest upright and avoid bouncing. Slow, controlled holds will deliver the best results. For strength training, the slant board opens up powerful movement options. One of the most effective exercises is the heel elevated squat. Stand on the board with your heels raised, feet shoulder-width apart, and sit smoothly into the squat while keeping your chest tall and knees tracking forward over your toes. drive up through the midfoot, squeeze your quads at the top, and maintain control throughout the movement. This setup increases quad activation while reinforcing knee strength and balance through deeper ranges of motion. Another excellent option is the knees over toes split squat. Place your front foot on the slant board and step the back foot behind you in a staggered stance. Lower slowly, allowing the front knee to travel forward while keeping the heel grounded against the board. Focus on staying upright and controlled, then push back up through the front leg. This exercise strengthens the quads, calves, and stabilizing muscles around the knee and ankle, while improving balance and joint resilience. Whether you're stretching or training, move intentionally, maintain proper alignment, and progress gradually. With consistent use, the slant board becomes a powerful tool for building mobility, strength, and confidence from the ground up. When your session is done, putting the slant board away is just as effortless as using it. Store it under a bed, desk, or couch without taking up valuable space. Whether you're training at home or on the go, the built-in carry handle lets you grab it quickly and take it with you to the gym, office, or your next physical therapy session. No bulky equipment, no hassle, just smart design that fits seamlessly into your routine. With the Sunny Health and Fitness adjustable wood slant board, you're not just adding a piece of equipment to your routine, you're unlocking a smarter, more supported way to move. Every purchase includes free access to the Sunny Fit app, where you'll find thousands of trainer-led workouts designed to help you strengthen, stretch, and progress with purpose right from your phone or tablet. Sunny Health and Fitness delivers premium equipment backed by true commitment to quality. Supported by U.S. customer-based service, certified trainers, and the brand stands behind every product to deliver a genuinely unmatched, fit-for-everyone experience. And if you ever have questions, our friendly, knowledgeable support team is always ready to help. So you can train with confidence, clarity, and peace of mind.